Chapter 2, Section 1, Sets of Numbers. This is a continuation. This here is very, very important. End of course exam. 1/3 of your end of course exam will be stuff like this. Okay? So make sure you understand this. So let's look. A set. What is a set? Well, it's a group of objects. Okay? Okay, what I mean by that, a set would be offset like this, and the group of objects would be such as this. Okay? An element is one thing in the set. So that being said, 1 would be an element of that set. 2 would be an element of that set. 3 would be an element of that set. So if I was to ask you how many elements are in this set, you would have a total of 3 different elements. An empty set, this verifies that you have nothing that is in that set. Empty set can be written like this, or empty set could be written such as that. A universal set is a group of all numbers used in a problem. Okay? When we talk about unions of sets, a union is all the numbers in the sets mentioned. The intersection of a set is only the numbers that the sets have in common. A complement, just remember the word not. Whenever you see that, it means that set is not included. And a cross product is placed in a value of an XY value, and it's all the numbers in one set times all the numbers in another set. Now, here's a problem, okay? They get a little bit more complex than this, and I'll cover a lot of this in class, but this is the basics. What you have here, there's 2 different ways you can look excuse me, at this. In the word form, let universal set be the set of integers 1 through 6. Let A be 2 and 6. Let B equal 1, 3, 4, and 6. I can draw this so I can identify my apologies. I had to go away for a second. My dog is after a possum. Okay. So we're looking at this, and it says let U be a universal set. So what I can do is I can go ahead and draw a box, and we'll call this my universal. Okay? Then it tells me that I have 2 sets in there, which is like this, and we'll call this one A, and we'll call this one B. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put numbers in. Okay, so let's go ahead and look. It tells me that A is 2 and 6. Okay, and B is 1, 3, 4, and 6. So the thing that they share right now is the 6. So what I'm going to do is put the 6 in the middle here. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my other sets. So set A all was 2 and 6, and this would be 1, 3, and 4. Okay, and if you notice, we're missing a number in both of those sets out of the universal, which would be 5, so it would not be found in either one of those. So now what we're going to do is look at the first question, and they want me to find A union B. So either I can look up here at A, it says 2 and 6, and B is 1, 3, 4, 6, so that means I'm going to include all those numbers. So A union B would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay? You notice we didn't count the 5 here. We're counting everything in the A and everything in the B here. Next one is find the intersection of A and B. The intersection means what they share. So what we're looking at is the thing that they're sharing in this is 6 in both of them. If we look at our diagram, you can see right here that 6 is shared. So this would be 6. The next thing they're concerned about in this particular problem is it says find not A. Okay, so they want me to find not A, or the complement of A. Okay, so therefore not A would mean all of B. So what does B have in it? Okay, well B has 1, 3, and 4. Not B, so we cancel all this out, so that leaves us 2 and 5. I'm sorry, I forgot the 5 up here too. Okay? Cross products, all they're asking, cross product of A and B, A being 2 and 6, and B being 1, 3, 4, and 6. So the cross products be 2 times 1, 2 times what's the next one be 3, 2 times, sorry, it went cricket on me, 2 times 4, and 2 times 6. We still have a 6 in there, so we say 6 times 1, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, and 6 times 6. Again, this is a very important part of the final exam. If you have any problems with the basics, please, please, please ask me and I will go over them again. Other than that, you have a good evening.